Hello everyone, welcome to Programming avec Reza YouTube channel. This is Reza Shaheen and I hold a PhD in computer science from University of Gustave Eiffel in France, and I completed my postdoctoral fellowship at University of Polytechnique Montreal in Canada. I have a vast experience in developing and implementing mathematical optimization models for real-world case studies using different programming languages. I'm here to teach you the simple way to learn how to code and how to program in different programming languages. So in this channel, we will be having full bootcamp courses where you can understand and learn from zero to hero of C++, Python, Java, even very popular libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Polars. We are going to have step-by-step tutorials giving you all the necessary details and going with the detailed explanation. Also, we offer 1-minute short videos that you can find on the channel for fast and quick learning or maybe reviewing some principal concepts in different programming languages. So, how to navigate through this YouTube channel? First of all, I would suggest you to go for the playlists where you can choose your preferred programming language. There you can follow the videos in order step by step from zero to hero. So you're going to learn everything that you need to learn, for example, about basics of Python in the playlist that is dedicated to Python's basics. So there, go for the videos in order and you will learn all the basics with a lot of coding exercises about Python. Also, we offer short videos. So there you can find the short videos on the YouTube channel. So for quick tips on Python, C++, or even different programming languages, you can simply go there and it is ideal for reviewing or fast learning. Then the way that this channel works is that we are going to offer you everyday updates with the fresh contents, but you can learn at your own pace. And we are going to give you some real world coding exercises that is going to be very helpful. So you're going to learn the concept and right away you're going to see its real practical in the real case studies. Ask questions, engage, and become a part of the global learner community. Whenever you are having a question, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I will be happy to help you there. So if you're ready, just hit the subscribe, explore the playlist, and let's grow together. See you there.